Hey, welcome to Mama Hall's Kitchen, where we love cooking delicious meals, having fun, and saving time in the kitchen. Today, I am going to show you how to make one of my family's favorite meals. It's Southwest stuffed sweet potatoes. When I first saw the recipe, I really wasn't sure if I was going to like it. It sounded a little odd with the sweet potatoes, but I tried it, and I'm so glad I did. It's very easy. It's all done in the microwave, so you're not going to have to heat up the kitchen, and it's done in about 15-20 minutes. So I went ahead and cooked my sweet potatoes in the microwave. You just put them in, pierce them with a fork, and cook them until they're tender, probably about 4 to 5 minutes. I pre-cooked the chicken and shredded it. So the chicken is done in the microwave. The recipe calls for tenderloins. I didn't have any of those, so I just used 2 chicken breasts. Cooked those for 4 to 5 minutes until they're done at an internal temperature of 165 degrees. So I've got that in our mixing bowl. I've got the chicken. Then I have what we have out of the potatoes. You just take the potato. This is our medium scoop. We have 3 different sizes. You just scoop out the sweet potato. Put it over in your mixing bowl. Very easy. Okay, and then it calls for a can of whole kernel corn and a can of black beans rinsed and drained. And then we're just going to stir this up really good. I seasoned the chicken with salt and chipotle seasoning while it was cooking. So then we just get this mixed up really good. And then we're going to put it back in our sweet potato skins. Honestly, most of the time I don't put it back in the sweet potato skins. We just have it and serve it in a bowl. And I have, you can put pico de gallo on it, sour cream, just kind of dress it up like you would a taco. And believe it or not, it's really good. All right, so now we've got our recipe done. Here we'll take the scoop. And just scoop this back into our potatoes. Okay. And then what we're going to do next is grate our cheese. When you grate your own cheese, it's cheaper and it doesn't contain the cellulose. So I've got our cheese grater here. It works very well and it's very easy. So we're just going to grate some of this cheese up because this is going to go on top of our sweet potatoes that are stuffed with our chicken, corn, and black bean mix. Then we're just going to top it with cheese. Let me move these out of the way, and then this will just go in the microwave till the cheese gets good and melted. And then you're ready to eat. So dinner's done in about 20 minutes. It's very good, easy. The recipe will be in the comments. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.